Sairam students, today we shall move on to the second lesson, that is the 3 questions written by Count Leo Tolstoy. 3 questions. It's a very simple lesson, very easy lesson and very interesting lesson. I think you have the textbook. Open the textbook, page number 31. 3 questions. How many questions? 3 questions. See the introduction given there. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Read to find out. Now you have to read and find out the answer for 3 questions. So a king has 3 questions. We shall take some grammar point also. The king has 3 questions. The king has 3 questions. It is a statement. Now make it negative. The king has means it is a main verb. There is no other verbs. So it is a main verb, means does. The king has means does plus have. Does plus have makes has. Correct? So the king does not have 3 questions. Is it clear? The king does not have 3 questions. Next, make it yes or no type question. Yes or no type means begins from verb. So this one comes first. Does, then the subject, does the king, does have. So does the king have 3 questions? Question mark. Very easy. Next, to get the answer, the king has 3 questions. Frame a question. You have this grammar item for the examination even in 10th standard and 9th standard. So the king has 3 questions. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. How to frame? Now imagine the WH word for this one. Does it give the answer for what? When? No. Number is given. So how many? How many? Correct? How many? Then what? Questions. How many questions? Next comes the helping verb. Use this sentence as it is. How many questions does the king have? How many questions does the king have? This is the way of answering the question. Framing a question to get the underlined word as answer. This one negative, this one yes or no. First make it negative, next make it yes or no question, next make it WH question. Easy way of doing. Now come to this. So a king has, I don't know which king. So a king has 3 questions and he is seeking. Seek means what? Seek means try to find. Seek means try to find or look for. He is looking for an answer to that question. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Read to find out. Now come to the first paragraph. The thought came to a certain king. What was thought? That he would never fail if he knew 3 things. If he knew 3 things, he would never fail. Conditional clause. If clause. If I see the formation. If I know the answer, I will write. If I knew the answer, I would write. If I had known the answer, I would have written. Third condition is very important. type 3, why will come for the examination also. So, conditional clause, see. The thought came to a certain king. Certain means known, but not specially named. Or one or some, I don't know. Certain king. What are the three things? What is the right time to begin something? So, he had a question. What is the right time to begin something? Second question, who should a king listen to? Second question. Third question, what is the most important thing for a king to do? So, the king thought that if I knew the answer for these three questions, he would never fail. So, to become a successful man in one's life, one should know answers for these three questions, these three things. So, now what is the aim of the king? He should get an answer for each of the following questions. So, what did he do? See the next. The king therefore sent messengers into passive. See, king sent messengers. Make it negative. King did not send messengers. Yes or no type question. Did the king send messengers? To get the word messengers as answer, how to frame a question? So, frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. So, messengers means who or whom. It won't take what, it won't take when, it won't take how, but it is who. Who or whom. Whom. Next, sent means did. Whom did king send? Whom did king send? King sent messengers. Where? Throughout his kingdom. What did he promise? Promising a large sum. Sum means amount. He promised a large sum to those people who came to him with an answer. Large sum to anyone who would answer these three questions. So, he gave a chance to answer those questions, and he will be rewarded with the large amount. Many wise men came. Wise opposite. Wise opposite foolish. Wise prefix unwise. Many wise men came, not ordinary men, to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. They answered differently. They answer differently. How to frame a question? They answer differently. Make it negative. They do not answer differently. Yes or no question? Do they answer differently? Now frame a question. WH. Differently. The word differently answers the question how. The manner of answering. How. Next answer means do answer. Do. How do. Next subject comes. How do they. Next answer. How do they answer? They answer differently. If it is answered, they answered differently means how did they answer? Correct? Now, they answered differently. Second paragraph. In reply to the first question, so as many wise men came into his village, into his palace, in reply to the first question, what answer did he get? Some wise men said, the king must prepare a timetable. So they gave a suggestion that the king had to prepare a timetable and follow it the timetable strictly. Strict opposite, lenient. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance. We cannot decide it in beforehand, early. It needs time. Others said that it was impossible. For him it was not possible to decide in advance. Advance means beforehand. ಮೊದಲು ಮುಂದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಆ ರಾಜನಿಗಿದ್ದಂಥ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೀಮ್ಡ್. ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೀಮ್ಡ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್. ನೆಸಸರಿ opposite unnecessary. Yet others, ಉಳಿದವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, said that the king needed a council of wise men. What is a council? A committee of wise men. See the glossary. King needed a council of wise men. So he needed a committee of wise men to suggest or give suggestion or advise the proper methods. Who would help him act at the proper time? So what did the other people say? They said that they gave a suggestion that the king, with the help of the committee members, with the help of the councillors, he could take a proper decision. So he needed a council of elders, council of wise men. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent, which needs immediate attention. We cannot wait for the decision of the councillors. Some decisions should be taken immediately. It should be an urgent decision. So we cannot wait for the meeting to be conveyed. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. What is look into? Look into means one meaning, analyze. Z-E or S-E, both correct. Analyze or foresee or study or investigate. So we have to look into the future. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮುಂದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಷಿಯನ್ who has the magical powers, who could do magic, magicians could do that. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಷಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಮಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ magicians. So he has to meet the magicians. Some suggested the king to meet the whom? Magicians. In their answer to the second question, so these are the answers given by the wise men for the first question. Now come to the second question. In their answer to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the king were his councillors. What is the second question? See that, who should a king listen to? Some said he should listen to the councillors. Councillors means members of a council. ಅವರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Others said priests, ಅರ್ಚಕರು, one who worships in places of worship. ಪ್ರೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾಯಿತು. ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಚೋಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯೂ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. He should listen to the words of the soldiers. Others said. So some said he should listen to the counselors. Others said he should listen to the priests. Some others said he should listen to the doctors. And others said soldiers. He should give importance to the soldiers. To the third question, some said attack. What is the third question? See, what is the most important thing for a king to do? Here the answer is attack. The third question, some said attack. ಧಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Attack opposite? Opposite, defend. If it is a verb, defend. Attack, defend. Attack. Others chose fight. King has to fight. And at others, religious worship. So other wise men suggested the king for a religious worship. ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, he got different answers for the same question. He could not get same answer for the same question. So it put him in confusion. He was totally perplexed. He was totally amazed by getting the answer, strange answer. So the answers to his questions were so different. How much different? The king was not satisfied. He was dissatisfied. Satisfied, dissatisfied. He was not satisfied. He couldn't get a satisfactory answer. Nobody gave him answers satisfactorily. He could not get a satisfying answer. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit. What did he do? In order to solve this problem, he decided to seek. Seek means find the advice of a certain hermit. He did not know who that hermit was, who was widely known for his wisdom. Hermit is known for his wisdom. Wisdom noun, wise adjective, wisely adverb. Correct? So, what was the final decision of the king? King decided to meet the hermit. Why? To get the answer for his 3 questions. Now come to the next paragraph. Read the first paragraph and second paragraph carefully. Finish. Come to the third paragraph. So what did the king do? He decided to go in search of a hermit. Why? To get the answer for 3 questions. How to go? Could he go in his king or the powerful? He was the powerful head of the state. Could he go? Was he able to go with his same royal dress? No. What did he do? The king put on ordinary clothes. What did he put on? Ordinary. Put on means wear. He wore ordinary clothes. He wore simple clothes. By wearing simple clothes, what did he do? Went to meet the hermit. So how did the king go to meet the hermit? Wearing ordinary clothes, so that nobody could identify him. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. So he went in search of the hermit. He saw hermit's hut. What did he do? Even the bodyguard should not know the answer. So what did he do? Left the horse and the bodyguard and went to meet the hermit alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. ಅವನ hermit ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ಗುಡಿಸಲಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಬಾಡಿಗಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ತನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಭಟನನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಕುದುರೆಯಿಂದ ಇಳಿದ, ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಆ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಅವನು ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೊಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹಟ್. ಅವನ ಮನೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಿಡ ನೆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಿ ಗ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಹೂ ಗ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್? Hermit. Hermit greeted the king. The king was greeted by him. Passive voice. He greeted the king and continued digging. He welcomed the king and did not care him. Did not pay much attention to the arrival of the king. He neglected the king and continued his work. The king went up, so reached him, went near him and said the intention, revealed his intention. I have come to you, wise man, wise hermit. Who is the wise hermit? The person whom he was going to meet and met. To ask you to answer 3 questions. He said, I have come from a distant place and I have 3 questions, so please answer me. And he repeated the 3 questions again. The hermit listened to the king attentively, but did not speak, did not utter even a single word. You are tired after waiting some time. What did you do? You are tired. You need some rest and sleep. You are fed up of your work. You need sleep. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So, what did he do? After some time, he decided to take the spade from the hermit and decided to dig the beds for the hermit. What is a spade? A tool for digging. ಹಾರೆ ಪಿಕಾಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಗಲವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಹರ್ಮಿಟ್. He thanked the hermit for helping him, giving the king his spade. So he handed over the spade to the king, and now the king has to dig. When the king had dug 2 beds, what is bed? Garden, plot for plants. ಗಿಡ ನೆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ 2 beds ಅವನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್. 2 ಹೊಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, 2 ಬೆಡ್ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ, ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಇವನು ಬಂದದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ? 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ. 2 ಬೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ ಸ್ಪೇಡನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ರಾಜನಿಗೆ, ಹರ್ಮಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವನು ದಣಿವಾರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ. ಆದರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ದ 3 questions. ದ ಹರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್. The hermit did not answer. The hermit was not in a position to answer his 3 questions. The hermit did not satisfy him with the answer. He did not answer. The hermit gave no answer. Correct? So, read the 3rd paragraph silently. Okay? Next, 4 questions are there. What thought came to the king? First question. Write the 3 questions for which the king wanted to have answers. You know, 3 questions, direct answer is there. Was the king satisfied with the answers? If yes, why? If no, why? I think my answer is according to the textbook, the answer is no. The king was not satisfied with the answers given by the wise men. Why? Because they gave different answers for the same question. You got the answer. Now 4th one. Who did the king decide to seek advice from? The king decided to seek the advice from the wise hermit. I think he got. So today we shall wind up here. Sai Ram.